Great opportunity to own a slice of Burlington near the shores of Lake Champlain. Offering an updated townhouse-style home with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, plus a 1-bedroom apartment with separate entrance. Formerly the model home for the village at North Shore, this duplex sits nestled on a 0.35-acre corner lot with a detached 2-car garage, shed and offers access to North Shore's association pool, tennis, and private beach. The townhouse unit features hardwood floors, a wood-burning fireplace, kitchen with stainless appliances and walk-in pantry, first-floor bedroom and bath, owner's suite with jetted tub on the second level, plus 2 private back decks. The apartment unit offers an open floor plan, private laundry and 2 patios surrounded by gorgeous landscaping. Recent improvements include a newer roof, boiler and hot water heater, plus fresh paint. You'll love the new North End location, minutes to the bike path and panoramic lake and mountain views. Plus enjoy easy access to downtown Burlington, parks, marinas, and more.